Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is on. So let's get started. So you can't hear your calls unless you turn on your speaker on your mobile device and you want to fix that. So to fix that problem, what you have to do is first check if you are muted. So if you are muted, then you will face this problem. So now to check if you are muted, what you can do is just simply tap on the volume up button or the volume down button, and after tapping on that, now you'll find a bell icon. So if you can find a slash on the bell icon, that means you have been muted. So what you can do is just simply again tap on it, and now if you can't find a slash, that means you are unmuted. So just simply go ahead and then do that, and now what you have to do is just tap on the three bar icon below that, and after tapping on the three bar icon, now if your ring or notification volume is turned down or your call volume is turned on, what you can do is just simply turn it all the way up. And after increasing your volume, you will fix your problem. So now simply go ahead and try to call someone and then check if this fixed your problem. But if this didn't fix your problem, then what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then restart your device. So by restarting your device, most of the time you will fix any issues or bugs that you are facing with your device. So what you can do is just simply tap and hold on the power button, and then you will find the restart option over here. So simply tap on restart and then restart your device, and that should fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is on. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.